We are starting to process the 400 kilograms of Spirit Quartz. The very first step is giving every piece a high pressure wash. Once they're rinsed, we load the crystals into flat plastic containers and cover them with powdered oxalic acid and add water. Ten full days in the oxalic acid bath. Ten days of hoping that winter's sun pulled its weight. Now comes the moment of truth, unpacking time. I'm heating every piece with the power washer to strip away the spent acid and whatever iron rust got dissolved. This is always the best part, but honestly, I'm a little anxious this time. Or are we going to have to rerun the whole batch? I'm laying them out on the table to get a proper look under good light. It's time for a piece-by-piece inspection. Let's see what we've got here. I saw them into different price ranges and then marked them with a secret color. Just a small spot at the bottom. And then I carry them out to set them on my outside display area. I'm doing some custom metal work, welding up heavy-duty steel stands, so some of our larger showcase grade pieces can be displayed better, safely and more dramatically. And then over on the craft bench, I'm putting the final touches on an amethyst gemstone tree. Every crystal is painstakingly glued onto twisted wire structure to give you that natural tree canopy look. Before we wrap up, I want to show you some of the absolute highlights from this haul. The incredible wins, along with a few pieces that unfortunately didn't survive the cleaning process. Working with natural stone always comes with a few surprises, but that's all part of the job. So don't forget to subscribe to see more of this type of content. See you in the next video.